Behrens is the #1 US-made steel can manufacturer. We make anything from a 2-quart to a 30-gallon can, pail, tub. I've been in manufacturing for 16 years, and manufacturing in the US is tough.
We're always constantly trying to look forward and see what the next best thing is that we can do. What we've been doing is investing a lot of money into new equipment.
The engineering team at Rapid is truly world-class. The beauty of what Rapid does and did for us is they were able to integrate the robot onto our equipment in a very timely manner.
What we're doing is giving people a tool to complete the task that they have at hand. Instead of having somebody here 24/7, we can actually have the robot operate 24/7.
We work really hard every day to make sure our staff is safe. The tasks that the robots have automated for us are highly repetitive jobs that have led to some repetitive motion injuries in the past. These robots have eliminated that risk for us, and the staff loves that.
When we partnered with Rapid Robotics, it was so important for us to run more efficiently. Even though the processes have changed and things are more automated, you still see the workmanship in every product when you look at it.
Right now the operator will just put in the tub, pail, or bucket, and then the robot will pick it up, move it into position, it'll get pierced, and then it will dispense it on the other side of the cell.
And it dropped our cycle time by 40%. My biggest takeaway from the whole experience is to start sooner. It was a huge success, and I wish I would have started months earlier. We've seen units per labor hour go up significantly, all which translates to a major impact on our bottom line.
There's no end life to a metal product. I see great success for Behrens. I think we're going to continue to grow. Our products have stood the test of time, and I think they will for another 100 years.